your YouTube video. Now in this video we are going to be using a website called rapidtags.io, and in the other video, which was part 1, I used a website called keyword.io. So you're going to go into Chrome or whatever browser you use, and you're going to search for Rapid Tags version 2 because version 1 is outdated. So you're going to search for version 2, and it's going to be the first link on the top. And here we have Rapid Tag. It's very simple. You have Rapid Tag on top, and if you can either log in or register. I'm not going to do that because it is free. So you can enter your next YouTube title or tag, and it's going to, so it says welcome back to Rapid Tag, and I'm going to search for how to make a intro. So how to make an intro, so you can search by pressing go or the little magnifying glass, and there you go. You have all of your nice tags, how to make an intro for YouTube, how to make an intro for YouTube videos, and so on and so forth. As you can see, we have so many, and all you can do, very simple, is go ahead and click on copy, and all of them will be copied. Now I will also search for, let's say, an outro, just in case we have an outro video coming up. So here we have many more tags. We have how to make an outro, how to make a YouTube outro, and so on and so forth. You can do the same thing. You can go ahead and click on copy, and it will copy all of them for you. And pretty much you can search for anything. Let's say how to make a thumbnail. Alright, so how to make thumbnail. Actually, we're going to search for how to take thumbnail, because you're going to take pictures. So here we have how to make a thumbnail, how to make a thumbnail for YouTube videos, and so on and so forth. So it's very helpful, Rapid Tags. Now I did make a keyword.io, which was also helpful and also very interesting, and this is also very nice, but after like a while, after you use it, it will pretty much ask you to log in. So you can go ahead and log in, and it's completely free, so it's very awesome. I really recommend it. So that's it for this video. So make sure you guys subscribe, click the notification bell, and also go ahead, subscribe to my second channel, which is Your World. Link will be in the description, and also my Instagram. I post some dope pictures. Link will be also in the description, and I will be putting the website, which is of course rapidtags.io, also in the description. And make sure you guys smash the like button if this little tutorial was helpful for you, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.